Chapter 13. Patterns. Warm-up activity. Patterns around us. A pattern is a repeated arrangement of numbers, shapes, letters, colors, and so on. The elements of a pattern repeat in a predictable manner. Types of patterns. Patterns can be of various types: increasing, decreasing, logical, skipping, changing directions, a combination of these, etc. All patterns follow some rules. Let us take a few examples to understand them. Pattern 1. Rule. Capital letters are followed by small letters in the pattern. Pattern 2. Rule. There is addition as well as repetition in the pattern. Pattern 3. Rule. There is a repetition in the pattern. Pattern 4. Rule. There is a change in direction and repetition in the pattern. Pattern 5. Rule. There is a decrease in the number of arrows. Pattern 6. Rule. The jug rotates towards its left each time. Pattern 7. Rule. A group of circles is repeated in the pattern. Number patterns. Numbers arranged in a series follow a pattern. If we find the pattern in a series, we can write some more numbers in the same series. Observe the following number patterns based on addition: 3, 9, 15, 21, 27, 33, 39, 45. We can observe that each term in the above pattern is 6 more than the previous term. We can also write next terms as 45 plus 6 is equal to 51. 51 plus 6 is equal to 57. 57 plus 6 is equal to 63. And 63 plus 6 is equal to 69. Let us observe some more number patterns: 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22. Add 3 to get the next term: 51, 46, 41, 36, 31, 26, 21. Subtract 5 to get the next term: 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 96, 192, 384. Multiply by 2 to get the next term: 4096, 1024, 256, 64, 16, 4. Divide by 4 to get the next term. Remember, to find out the pattern in a number series, use different mathematical operations. Even and odd number patterns. Look at the number sequence given below. We have observed that starting from 2, each successive number can be obtained by adding 2 to the previous number. Such numbers are called even numbers. The even numbers end in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Starting from an even number and successively adding 2, you can get any number of even number patterns. For example, A, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on. B, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, and so on. Now, look at the second number sequence given below. Here also, each successive number can be obtained by adding 2 to the previous number. Such numbers are called odd numbers. The odd numbers end in 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Starting from an odd number and successively adding 2, you can get any number of odd number patterns. For example, A, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21 and so on. B, 61, 63, 65, 67, 69, 71, 73, 75 and so on. Remember, the sum of any two even numbers is an even number. For example, 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. The sum of any two odd numbers is an even number. For example, 17 plus 7 is equal to 24. The sum of an odd number and an even number is an odd number. For example, 21 plus 6 is equal to 27. Square number pattern. A number when multiplied by itself is called a square number. For example, 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9. 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. And so on. So, if we write the series 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on, this is called square number pattern.